Hi everyone, welcome back to Be Beautethical. My name is Archana, and if you're new to my channel or haven't subscribed to my channel already, please go ahead and do that right now, and then let's get into the video. So in today's video, I am just putting to test all these brushes that I got from the recent haul video that you must have seen. If not, then I will link it down below. So I got these brushes from Hawk Makeup, and these have come at a very good discount, and I just wanted to have an extra pair of brushes, so that is why I ordered these eye brushes. And eye brushes, how many ever you have, are going to be like not enough, so I'm just going to put these to test today, and I'm going to use the eyeshadows that I have already used, and I know they go well, they work well, they blend well, so that I can judge these brushes properly and let you guys know. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. I'm going to quickly clean these brushes up with my brush cleanser, and then I'm just going to zoom you guys in so that you can see these brushes in action. Alright, so today I'm going to work with these beautiful palettes from NYX. I know the eyeshadows are beautiful and they blend really well, so let me just zoom you guys in and let's get started. So this one is their blending brush, and this one is their large eyeshadow brush, which I thought would be a flat eyeshadow brush like this one right here, but you can see the difference. This is like a really flat brush, and this seems to be a little fluffy, so I'm just going to use this one for crease and corner. I'm also going to use the transition shade with this brush. So let's get started. This is the palette that I'm using right now. It's a beautiful palette from NYX. The eyeshadows are beautiful. They blend in really well. So I'm going to start with this orange shade right here. I'm going to put that slightly above the crease as a transition shade. That was easy. So this did work well for the transition. Now let me just take the next palette from NYX, and I want to put this brown shade right here in the crease and on the outer corner. This is a little big actually for the outer corner, but I think we can manage. So that is beautiful, and you can definitely use this brush for the purpose other than just applying the eyeshadow, packing on the eyeshadow. So that is not bad at all, and this can definitely be used for the crease, transition, and also for the outer corner. And then you can just use this clean blending brush and just go over it. This is a lot denser than I had expected. This is not very fluffy. So if you want a fluffier brush, maybe they have another one. I'll have to check that out. You can never have too many blending brushes, so that's why I used the larger brush for that purpose. And now on the crease, and now on the lid, I'm going to apply this very neutral kind of a shade, and let's see how that goes. I'm using the flat eyeshadow brush, the small flat eyeshadow brush for this purpose. This is very close to my skin tone. This is a little small actually, but it's working really well for packing on the color. So if that is what you are looking for, then this brush is really good. And since it is small, it's like going into this corner very easily. And that looks very pretty. I didn't want to go for a very dramatic kind of a look today because I have a red lip going on. That is also something that I'm testing today, how long the lip wears. This is also an item that I got from Hawk Makeup. You must have seen in the recent haul. Then I have made another video where I have just swatched and applied lip products that I got from Hawk. So this lip you must have seen already. but I'm just testing it for wear time and you know how long it stays. It applies really good. This is one of the shades that I did like from the lipstick, all the lipsticks that I got. As for the others, just go and watch the video on my thoughts. I have very mixed kind of feelings and thoughts on all the lip products that I got from the haul, and I just want a very slight shine on my eyelid, and for that I'm going to use this white kind of a pearly shade. It's a pearly kind of a shade. I'm going to use the other side of the same flat eyeshadow brush, and right in the center I'm just going to, that's a beautiful shade. I haven't used that shade before. And right, that's right in the center of my eyelid. Just very slightly I want it to shine. That's beautiful. This brush is very effective because it's very small, very dense, and this is exactly for the purpose. It's working exactly for the purpose that it was made for packing on the eyeshadow, and this is doing a beautiful job. And then I'm just going to take the blending brush, just clean it up a little bit on the back of my hand, and just the edges very slightly. I'm going to try and blend it in with the rest of the shadow. So I'm going to keep the eye look very simple. The eye look is something that you can wear in daytime. You can even pass it off for an evening look because of the shine that I just added on to the eyelid. I'm definitely going to wear a liner and a mascara, but before that let us take care of the lower lash line. On the lower lash line I'm going to use this purple shade right here, and I'm going to use the pencil brush. This brush is good enough for you to use it on the lower lash line. It's not very fluffed out, it is not very thin, just perfect to get that, you know, beautiful definition for the lower lash line. And I'm just going to take the same shade on the same brush and just going to darken this outer corner very slightly, taking it slightly into the crease as well. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. And then using that fluffy blending brush, I'm just going to blend out this purple into the crease color, transition shade, and that looks beautiful. And for the last thing, I'm just going to clean the pencil brush that we had used for the lower lash line, and I'm going to take the same shimmery shade that we had used on the center of the lid, and I'm just going to use it for the inner corner of the eyes. This brush might be a little big for the inner corners. Actually not. This works. You have to be a little careful with the application if you don't want it to be too thick, but this works. I've taken it slightly on to the lower lash line as well. And the last brush that I want to test out is this angular brush. I haven't filled my eyebrows, so I'm just going to fill my brows with this one, and I'm using my regular Ben Nye Essential Eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use this darker shade in the corner to fill my brows in. Actually, there's nothing much to test out the angular brush because this is stiff and I'm sure it's going to work. So it's going to work for the brows, it's going to work for the liner. Since this is small, it's just going to take slightly longer time for the brows that is one thing that I realized as soon as I put the brush onto the brows. But that's not such a big deal, you can still work with it. But the benefit for the smaller brush head is that when you come to the front corner of the brows, it's really helpful to make those strokes right there. This is actually a good brush for the brows, if you ask me. It's pretty firm, it's small, so as I said, you can get into the front side of the brows really easily and really precisely. I like this brush. So now I will quickly apply my eyeliner and mascara and I will be right back. And I'm back and I have my eyeliner and mascara on. I have really loved those eye makeup brushes from Wet n Wild, but I messed up my eye makeup a little bit because of the mascara I was testing out today, and I was not very impressed with the mascara. Let me be very honest about it. And I had to fix my eye makeup a little bit, but it looks good and I really liked the brushes, and I highly recommend the Wet n Wild eye makeup brushes that I have shown you in this video because all of them have worked beautifully for me. And this video is not sponsored by Hawk Makeup or Wet n Wild or anybody else. This is a completely independent video. It's completely my opinion and I have loved these brushes. I have bought these brushes with my own money. So if you are in need of eye makeup brushes, these brushes are something that I will definitely recommend. And that's it for today's video. Do give a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and do not forget to subscribe, ring the bell, comment and all that good stuff. And I will sign off now here from this video and I will see you again very soon in another cruelty free video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.